Hello, friends. Welcome to Cool Tech. If you are tired of the scattering of apps and notes and are looking for an all-in-one tool, today I am going to teach you the complete tutorial of the Notion app from 0 to 100. This app really changed my digital life. Watch this video until the end because it will be very useful for you. What is Notion? With this app, you can take notes, manage tasks, create databases, plan projects, and even create a personal website, all in one app. First, download the Notion app from Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS. Open the app. On the sign up page, you can sign up with your email or continue with your Google or Apple account. After signing up and logging in, you will see this homepage. At the top, we have several tabs: Updates, Home, Search, Settings, and so on. In the middle of the page, you will see several ready-made pages such as Welcome to Notion and To-Do List. At the bottom of the page, there is the Ask AI option and a new Compose button. Now we are inside the Notion main page. If we click on the rectangular button at the bottom of the page, two options will appear: Chat and Page. If we select Page, a new blank page will open for us. If we click on the empty space at the top of the page, the main Notion keyboard will open. This keyboard shows the main tools: text, title, list, image, table, and so on. If you click on the More option, three dots in the main keyboard, a wider menu will open where you can search for ready-made templates. In the templates section, there are different categories such as life, personal life, work and projects, and school education. By clicking on each category, you will be shown ready-made and professional templates related to that topic that you can use immediately. There is also a secondary keyboard that appears when you click on the space at the bottom of the screen and provides you with more tools like emoji, file, video, blocks, menu, and so on. Now, to add content, click on the empty space at the bottom of the page and click on the plus sign button. The blocks menu will open. On this page, there are different blocks to choose from. In the basic blocks section, for text, for writing regular text and simple notes, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4. For different headings with different sizes, for bulleted list, for bulleted and ordered lists, for numbered list, for numbered lists, for to-do list, for creating a task list with checkboxes, Fidel toggle list, a collapsible list like an accordion, for page, create a new page within the current page, callout, a highlight box for an important point or warning, for quote, for a quote or highlighted text, for table, a simple table, full divider, a separator line between sections, link to page, a link to another page within Notion. In the media section, full image, add an image, full video, add a video, file, audio, and audio file, code, a block of programming code, file, upload a file, for web bookmark, bookmark a website. In the database section, for table view, Ford view, a view Kanban, full gallery view, for list view, for calendar view, for timeline view, feed view, dashboard view, and other views. In the advanced blocks section, table of contents, automatic table of contents, for block equation, mathematical equations, full button, interactive button, for breadcrumb navigation path, for tabs, different tabs, for synced block, synchronized block, for toggle heading, collapsible heading. In the embed section, embed external content, for HTML code, for Google Drive, Twitter, Figma, GitHub, Zoom, Jira, Miro, Slack, and many other services. Now, to take notes, click on the blank space at the bottom of the page and tap the plus sign button. The blocks menu will open. The best blocks for taking notes are for text, for writing regular text and simple notes, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4 for different headings with different sizes, bulleted list and numbered list for ordered lists, for to-do list for simple checklists, full toggle list for a collapsible list, for callout, a highlight box for an important point, full quote, for divider, a separator line. If you would like to use ready-made templates, click on the blank space at the top of the page and tap more three dots and search for words like journal, daily note, habit tracker, or reading list. To manage tasks, click on the blank space at the bottom of the page and click the plus button. The best blocks for task management are to-do list, checklist with ticks, for table for managing status, date, and priority, for Kanban view for tracking steps, for toggle list, group tasks, for calendar view, schedule management. If you would like to use a ready-made template, click on the blank space at the top of the page and click More and search for words like task list, to-do, weekly plan, or project tracker. To plan your project, click on the blank space at the bottom of the page and click the plus button. The best tools for planning your project are 4 Table View and Board View, manage tasks and milestones. 4 Timeline View, linear project timeline. 4 Calendar View, manage time. 4 Dashboard View, summary of progress. Full synced block, synchronize block for automatic updates. These tools will help you manage your project like a pro. For ready-made templates, click more and search for words like project planner, project roadmap, Gantt, or team project. To create a database, click on the empty space at the bottom of the page and click the plus button. The best options for databases are Table View, Classic Table, Board View, Kanban, a full gallery view, for List View, Simple List, 4 Calendar View, 4 Timeline View, Project Timeline, 4 Dashboard View, Summary Dashboard. These views help you manage your data intelligently. For a ready-made template, click more and search for words like Task Database, Project Tracker, CRM, or Content Calendar. Now, to create a personal website, click on the blank space at the bottom of the page and click on the plus sign button. The blocks menu will open. The best blocks and tools for creating a personal website are Heading 1, Heading 2 for the main and subheadings of the page, 4 Text and Callout for writing descriptions and highlights, 5 Image and Video, add images and videos, 4 Toggle List, collapsible sections for organized content, 4 Table, display information in a table, 4 Divider, separate different sections of the page, full button, create interactive buttons, 4 Embed and web bookmark, embed external content such as links, maps, or videos. When you have completed the page, click on Share at the top and enable the Publish to Web option to make your page a public website. If you would like to use ready-made templates, click on the blank space at the top of the page and click on More, 3 dots. In the search bar, you can search for words like personal website, portfolio, blog, landing page, or resume to display ready-made personal website templates. Well, friends, this was the complete Notion tutorial from 0 to 100. I hope this video was useful for you and you can start building your own powerful personal system today. If you liked this video, I would be very grateful if you could support me by liking it. To be informed about the next cool tech videos, be sure to subscribe and set the notifications to all notifications so that you don't miss any videos. Share the video with your friends. If you would like us to post the next part of the Notion Advanced tutorial video on the channel, tell me in the comments. And finally, tell me in the comments what the next video should be. For example, the next application tutorial, practical tricks, or another topic you like. I read all the comments and answer them. Thank you for being with me until the end. Send me your positive energy. Until the next video, take care of yourself.